This is Tipsy Chef salad with crisp mixed green vegetables and cherry tomatoes. It also has kasong puri made with Carabao's milk tossed and calamansi dressing. It's tossed mayonnaise and topped with Parmesan cheese. They serve solo serving or for sharing. This is a perfect salad appetizer served before the main dish is served. It's tummy refreshing because of the freshness of the greens. Perfect to start a sumptuous lunch or dinner with a family or treat with friends or meeting with colleagues and workmates. Try it now. This is a plate of fish and bell pepper sandwich. A healthy sandwich of cream dory fish enhanced with bell peppers cream. The sandwich is garnished with sliced red tomatoes and fresh lettuce. Toasted bastard bread with crispy, fried, thinly sliced potatoes on the side seasoned with salt and white pepper with creamy sour cream dips. A late afternoon snacks to fill your rumbling tummy. This is a light, healthy option to eat for those who don't like heavy food. Perfect for 6 o'clock dinner diet. Try it. This is Mary Grace slice of mango beignet cake, a best-selling summer cake. Frozen layers of meringue with cream and chunks of mangoes in between. This is served semi-frozen in individual slices or as a whole. A very delicious, affordable dessert. This is a plate of delicious Chopsui, a vegetable menu recipe from Toho. Sautéed garlic and onion. With chicken, button mushrooms and shelled shrimps, cabbage, carrots, baguio beans, chicharro, baguio pechi white spring onions, and other veggies. The thick sauce from cornstarch is seasoned with Chinese seasoning, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Simple but famous veggie recipe loved by all. Every restaurant has its own unique style of cooking Chopsui to attract customers to order. Try this healthy, delicious food the next time you dine in. Let's eat. This is Toho's sweet and sour fish fillet. Breaded fried cream dory sautéed in garlic, onion, black pepper, ginger, and Chinese seasoning. Red and green bell peppers, white spring onions, and black beans. Can taste the sourness of the vinegar and the sweetness of the sugar added that blends well with its thick dark brown sauce from cornstarch, Chinese dark sauce, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. A very delicious and flavorful seafood fish recipe to be included in the meal of the day. Let's eat and dine. This beef tenderloin Chinese style is more of a Filipino Chinese recipe because it's definitely delicious. It is coated with thick dark brown sweet sauce. I can smell and taste the aroma of Chinese spices thickened by cornstarch, a little bit of tomato sauce, cooking wine, and Worcestershire sauce. Garnished with sliced white onions sprinkled with white pepper. Each restaurant serving this menu has a different version of cooking this recipe. Very tender and delicious. A healthy plate of roasted quarter chicken with gravy sauce, 1 cup of rice, corn and carrots, and a vegetable Caesar salad for lunch. This is paired with a glass of iced tea. The other plate has mixed fruits and a Thousand Island dressing vegetable salad. Just a perfect healthy plate. We're here at the Kenny Rogers Roasters SM South Mall after having our gym routine for the day. Come and dine. Exercise, choose healthy food, and live healthy.